Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test.
Jessica agreed to the meeting in San Francisco. A. Going. B. To go. C. Go. David enjoys basketball at the park. A. Play. B. To play. C. Playing. Michael promised me with the project tomorrow. A. Help. B. Helping. C. To help. Sarah suggested dinner in Seattle. A. Have. B. Having. C. To have. They must their homework before dinner. A. Finish. B. Finished. C. Finishing. You should more water when it's hot in California. A. Drinks. B. Drink. C. Drinking. Emily can very fast. A. Runs. B. Run. C. Running. If Jessica studies hard, she passed the exam. A. Will. B. Would. C. Would have. If Michael were taller, he joined the basketball team. A. Will. B. Would. C. Would have. If David had left earlier, he caught the train. A. Will have. B. Would have. C. Would. A group of students visiting Washington, D.C., this week. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. Neither Jessica nor her friends late to class. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. The team winning the championship this year. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. He speaks because he is nervous. A. Slow. B. Slowly. C. Slower. David runs in the morning then at night. A. Faster. B. Fast. C. Fastest. That's the restaurant won the award in Seattle. A. Who. B. That. C. Whom. The teacher helped Jessica was from California. A. Which? B. Who? C. Whose? The car is parked outside belongs to Michael. A. Who? B. Which? C. Whom? David lives San Francisco. A. On. B. At. C. In. Jessica is a driver than Michael. A. Careful. B. More carefully. C. More careful. The picture is hanging the wall. A. On. B. In. C. At. Michael said he tired. A. Is. B. Was. C. Were. Jessica told me she'd in New York next month. A. Goes. B. Was going. C. Go. David said he the movie before. A. Has seen. B. Had seen. C. Saw. They leave early because of the traffic. A. Have to. B. Had. C. Having. You not park here, it's illegal. A. Should. B. Must. C. Can. We visit Seattle if we have time. A. Could. B. Must. C. Would have. If Jessica harder, she would have passed. A. Studies. B. Studied. C. Had studied. Neither Michael nor David interested in politics. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. The police investigating the case. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. Every student a laptop in the class. A. Has. B. Have. C. Having. She speaks English more than Spanish. A. Fluently. B. Fluent. C. Fluentlier. That's the park Jessica and Michael first met. A. Where. B. When. C. Which. The teacher asked if David finished his homework. A. Has. B. Had. C. Have. Jessica asked me where I'm from. A. Am. B. Was. C. Were. Michael asked if we to the concert in Washington, D.C. A. Are going. B. We're going. C. Goes. The children were tired, they kept playing. A. And. B. But. C. So. Jessica couldn't find her phone, she borrowed David's. A. So. B. But. C. And. I stayed home, it was raining in San Francisco. A. Because. B. But. C. So. He arrived late at the traffic jam. A. Because. B. Although. C. Despite. Being tired, Jessica kept working. A. Although. B. In spite of. C. Because. Michael is taller David. A. Than. B. As. C. Then. Seattle is famous its coffee culture. A. For. B. At. C. On. Jessica's the one car was stolen. A. Which. B. Whose. C. Who. They haven't decided to travel to Washington, D.C. A. Where. B. That. C. Which. The manager insisted on the report immediately. A. Review. B. To review. C. Reviewing. David refused the meeting in Seattle. A. Attend. B. To attend. C. Attending. Jessica enjoys in the library after class. A. Read. B. Reading. C. To read. Michael offered me to the airport. A. Drive. B. Driving. C. To drive.
Share it with your friends, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.